The 2026 Jeep Cherokee back from the brink. When Henry Ford halted Model T production in 1927 to create the Model A, he left dealers with nothing to sell for months. That strategic blunder taught the auto industry a vital lesson. Never sunset a vehicle before its successor is ready. Now, after a 3-year absence from the white-hot compact crossover market, Jeep is re-entering with the all-new 2026 Jeep Cherokee. This hiatus could be seen as a gamble, a relearning of Ford's historic mistake. But given recent shifts in the industry, Jeep is betting that the wait was a calculated risk that will position them for success. Hip 2. B-Square, a return to roots. The design is a very clean break from its predecessor. The team leaned into childhood memories of the original XJ generation Cherokee, a model that launched the unibody SUV segment. The new Cherokee borrows as much of that signature boxy, upright profile as the wind tunnel would allow. The squared-off grille, U-shaped running lights, and trapezoidal wheel arches are all nostalgic nods to the past. This retro-futuristic styling also boosts practicality, with cargo room growing by a full 25%. Much STLA, larger, all hybrid, for now. The biggest news is what's underneath, moving to Stellantis' STLA. Large platform, the new Cherokee grows by 6.1 inches in overall length. It's now either the biggest compact or smallest midsize SUV on the market. This platform also dictates the powertrain. The Cherokee is launching as a 100% hybrid vehicle. It features an all-new 1.6-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine mated to a 2-motor hybrid system, a design licensed from Toyota. Total output is a respectable 210 horsepower and 230 pound-feet of torque. This places it right between the old Cherokee's 2.4-liter and 2.0-liter engine options. Game-changing efficiency and range. Where it truly shines is efficiency. Jeep expects impressive EPA ratings of 42/33/37 miles per gallon, city, SART highway combined. This is a massive leap over the previous model, and means the new Cherokee's 13.7-gallon tank is good for over 500 miles of range. It's a game changer for daily commuting and road trips alike. All models come standard with all-wheel drive via the Active Drive 1 system. While a hardcore Trailhawk version isn't available at launch, the system automatically engages the rear axle for on-demand traction. With an 8.0-inch ground clearance and best-in-class departure angle, it's still ready for adventure. A premium price point. The new Cherokee opens with a base price of $36,995, putting it at a premium compared to rivals like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The top 2 trims are launching late this year, with the more affordable ones following in early 2026. Jeep seems to be betting on pent-up demand and its premium feature set to justify the cost. After a long absence, the 2026 Cherokee arrives as a modern, efficient, and boldly styled vehicle. The question now is whether its strategy of waiting and re-emerging with a fresh, forward-thinking package will pay off.